What if your blog is 100% SEO optimized, scanning your competitor's website and perfectly given to you in just few seconds? Yes, that's correct. My name is Sudhakar. I'm from LeadSyncLink, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, head towards Google. Type in NeuronWriter. Then you'll end up on this dashboard. Quickly sign up for a free trial. Once you log in, you'll see this dashboard with this pop-up about Content Writer. Quickly, we'll enter our keyword, what we want to optimize the blog for. Now I entered my keyword construction supply. I selected the country, then the language, and then start. Go to editor. And now you can see the top blog posts from your competitors. Select the ones which are with higher score and click on next. Now click on AI Write. Click on title, generate, save and close. Content designer, create, add information to the outline, create content. Looks good. Continue in the editor. Now the content is ranking 81%. That's awesome. Now quickly generate some images. Click on add generate, search stock images, construction supply. Just select this image. Don't forget to add alt text and title attributes. Go back and insert image. That's it. Now you got your images also. Simply copy this content and add it to your blog post. This is how you can make some amazing content which ranks. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and look forward for more interesting SEO tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.